In this video, you'll see how to make this beautiful and delicious lemon coconut fault line cake. Hi, it's Lorelei. Welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time, welcome to Wedding Cakes For You Cake Tutorials. If you want to build your skills and confidence to create beautiful cakes and cherish memories, subscribe and ring the bell. So I'm going to start off with this beautiful plate. It's very festive. I've got a lemon on there. It's a lemon cake. So it's perfect, and also it's a small cake. It'll fit on there, and I might even put it kind of off to the side a little bit, like that, so you can still see the little martini and the lemon. I don't normally put my cakes right onto the plate, but this is for this is for my husband. This is the coconut cake. Now this is, most of the times when I bake a cake, there's a sticky side. This is the top side of the cake. I'm going to put that down because that's going to hold the cake down. I don't even have to put any buttercream on there. It's going to stay all by itself. And then I've got some lemon syrup. I'm going to put that right on there. This is something that just gives it a little extra flavor and moisture. And sometimes I use this, sometimes I don't. I mean, I don't really, my cakes are so moist already. So for me, it's more about giving it a little extra boost of flavor. And then to keep your filling in, you want to put a ring of buttercream around the cake, because I am going to put lemon curd and cream cheese filling, and the cream cheese filling and the lemon curd are very slippery. So I also want to be careful not to put too much in there, because it's going to be 4 layers and 3 layers of cake. No, 3 layers of filling and 4 layers of cake. So because this is going to be a fault line cake, I want it to be tall. So I'm doing 4 layers instead of 3. You always want to crumb coat your cake. Now I'm going to do a cream cheese, because I have some leftover cream cheese here, and I love crumb coating with either cream cheese or lemon curd for a lemon cake. And just let that come down over the side of the cake. It's okay if the crumbs get into this frosting, so you don't have to worry too much. I probably won't have enough. I'll have to add some buttercream to that. Okay. Go ahead and add some buttercream. Beautiful. you have any questions about this cake or any of the cakes on my channel, please just leave me a comment below and I will be glad to answer. I would love to see your fault line cake designs. If you want to share them with me, use hashtag Cakes with Lorelei or head on over to Facebook, Wedding Cakes for You, and share them over there. I'll see you in the next video.